To my cooking show. I don't know how to make an intro. We're gonna make cookies in this, and we're gonna make croissants. Good sandwiches. Oh wait, I ate my sandwich. Oh no. Bagels. Welcome everyone to my cooking show, where I'm gonna make stuff out of bread, I guess. So I am going to teach you how to make a sandwich. Dan Plays told me I could get subscribers without having to animate. So I'm like, screw it, I'm making a cooking show. Even though I don't know how to cook. I'm sorry. So I'm going to teach you how to make a sandwich. My very special recipe. So first, we need bread. That was a really bad transition. Hold on, let me redo that. Better. Okay. Anyways, first we gotta get in our fridge. So your fridge probably looks different from mine, but here's some ingredients that you need. Hold up. I'm gonna flip the screen. Okay. So we're gonna put some mayo in it. If you don't like mayo, then you don't have to put it in there. Well, I like mayo on my sandwiches, so. And we're gonna have some turkey. We're gonna have some turkey. We don't need cookies. Yeah, don't grab your cookie jar. I think that's all we need. Oh yeah, I forgot one more thing. Wait, I need to go ask where the lettuce is. Hold up, I'll be right back. Hey guys, I had to update my friends while I was at it. Tell them I made my cooking show. Giorgio seemed kind of confused. I don't know why though. Like, I can get more subs from this. Okay, anyways. Oh, it should settle in here. Let me ask again. Okay. So it's right here. So let's grab your lettuce wherever it is. I don't know why the lettuce is curled up into a ball, but there goes our lettuce. Okay, now we can close this. Alright, perfect. We closed it. Okay. Now we have to get back to cooking. Okay, by the way, if you didn't notice, you don't need like the oven for this, so we don't need that. Oh wait, that's the bread I already used. Alright. So now we're gonna open our bread. Alright, bread open. So we need, wait, maybe this isn't the bread that I used. Wait. This is the one I used. Okay, anyways, so this is going pretty bad. This is pretty embarrassing. You get your two breads. Let me adjust the camera right there. By the way, Giorgio was talking about like some farewell Mason or something when I said I was making my own cooking show, but I don't know what he meant. Okay, so at this part, if you're like, I'd say 8 years old and under, use a spoon. But if you're like 9 years older, actually, let me adjust that. If you're, you know, never mind. If you're 9 years old and over, you can use a knife. Butter knife. Okay? Unless you're an adult watching this. Use whatever type of knife you want. Oh. Look, a song. I might put that in my next video. Okay, so get some mayo. Wait, I should probably put the turkey first. So we get our turkey, whatever type of ham or like chicken or whatever it's called you want. So now we're gonna wait. Should I put the lettuce on first? I'm gonna put the lettuce on first. All right. How do you open this thing? Hold up, let me open it. Okay. What the? How'd you get down there? Anyways, the lettuce is open. Close up. Anyways, I'm gonna get some lettuce. I don't really know how to like. Oh, that's a lot of lettuce. Let's do that. And we're just gonna put maybe a little bit of that. And now we're gonna use the mayo. Now we're gonna take a lot of mayo. I'm gonna put it over a piece of bread, which is now gonna become a sandwich as we talk. Yeah, I feel like I should have done the mayo before the lettuce. If you're watching this before you do it, like do the mayo before the lettuce. This is pretty hard. Oh, I didn't say it was pretty hard. I'm a trained professional. I am really good. I'm making the cooked sandwich. Just need a little bit more. Oh yeah, ignore this step if you don't like mayo. You can just put the lettuce on. Okay, now that we have the mayo on, we don't need this anymore, but okay, so now we're gonna put our mayo-y knife in the sink, and then we're gonna put our mayo away last. So, okay. And now that we have that finished, we're gonna put both of the buns on top of each other, or I mean both of the breads. And there you go. There's your sandwich. Now you can enjoy. Very good. Now let's put away the stuff. Transition. Okay. Let's do it with the ham. Oh, did I say ham? I meant turkey. Anyways, bro, this transition is crazy. Anyways, now our sandwich. What a yummy sandwich. I'll clean up that mess later. Thank you for coming to my cooking show. Bye-bye.